Up for sale, 1956 Bel Air, finished in black with factory interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 56 Bel Air, finished in black, which is its factory correct color. So, desirable black car from the factory. Extra bumperettes. It's a nicely optioned car, so I'll get into that real quick since I know that's why you're here. It's a 3-owner. I got a copy of the title before, showing the date of registration on that, which was 1956. Factory power steering, factory power brakes that have been upgraded. It's got power windows, and we might as well talk a little bit about it. But before I do, I'm going to end up pointing some stuff out as I go. Just a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and one right there. Just minute little stone chips on the front. They're susceptible to it in this area, the way it's shaped. But the hood's pretty nice. It's aligned nicely. The fitment is pretty nice as well. There's no rubbing when you open it up, no slacking on that. So let me pop this so we can have a little talk. Okay, you see it. I know that's the majority of the reason why you're here. So it's factory AC, but it's not stamped on the tag. And now, before I get going here, I did a lot of research on it just recently. Sometimes they weren't stamped on the tag. It's a very rare option nonetheless. I know you all know that. There's not a lot of information on them. No production numbers. Not a lot of... I can barely find pictures searching on Google of factory AC. So, trim tags normally there on a 56. On a factory AC car, it's over there. Okay. You got the correct battery tray shaped here. Normally it's there, but because of the factory AC, it's here. You got the compressor, which spins freely. With the correct setup down there. The box is correct. I mean, I believe it. All the components down here, the extra little radiator, I guess they call it condenser, the old factory hoses, I mean, and the hose that goes back down and connects to the back of the pump, coming out the back. You see it a little bit. It's a little hard to see. Goes down. So there's a strong chance. Without the tag, I don't know, but everything to me looks to be the way that it should. But it's the original 265 motor with factory power steering, which, you can't go wrong. That's obvious factory. And it's upgraded. I got the original booster in the trunk with a rebuild kit. In case you wanted to rebuild it, put it back on. But the people went with a new brake booster, new master cylinder, and a little added vacuum. Big car, aid with the braking. Rochester 4-barrel carb with the original 265, and it is the factory automatic transmission, the 56 Powerglide. So that's that. I mean, factory AC, very possibly. I do believe it. So, I mean, we'll carry on. Couple little marks right on the front. It's a single repaint in its, I guess, onyx black. I haven't looked it up, but the factory correct black color. Bumpers and the extra bumperette on top give it a little more bling. Looks really nice. Couple marks right there, and just those little tiny little fine marks from toweling it over the years. Not really any pitting. A little mark down there again. Couple little ones right there, and another one down there. It's got Coker white wall tires on it, radial, so those are expensive tires, not the bias ply. Better traction. It's going to be a better ride all the way around. Couple touch-ups right there, and a little mark right above both of those trim lines. Glass is excellent all the way around. Tinted glass. No cracks on that. You got a 98 sticker from Pennsylvania. That's where it was sold new. I think it's South Holland, Pennsylvania. It's got the selling dealer tag on the back trunk. Pretty nice fitment all the way around. And the doors, you got the extra little trim. For going in and out, not really nicking it. Maybe you want to bump your wall with it. Now you're not going to have that problem. Couple more marks right there. All of this bright work is really nice on the car all the way around, down around the back window, around the back windshield, around all the windows. Get a little bit of added bling here. You could take them off if you don't like them. I thought it goes nice with all the trim and chrome that you're getting on the car. You get the air conditioned sticker there. Nice door panel. You see the power windows there. And they all do work. I will. What's this one? Yep. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Here you go. Again, possible factory option. I think that's a little bit easier to put in after the fact. You got the factory vents in the dash for the AC. Again, another reason why I do believe. I know the horn works. Get the radio. All that stainless trim on the dash is in excellent condition. There's no dents on it. And really the black isn't even fading anywhere. It's super, super nice. And nice steering wheel. No cracks on the steering wheel. Dash is really nice as well. I don't know if I mentioned the carpet mats, but it's got factory carpet mats in there. And those are super, super clean and look brand new. Bench seat, mostly nice. It's got a rip right here. But the headliner with the working dome light. Oh, give me 1 second. The camera just bugged out. Headliner is in excellent condition. Definitely brand new with the working dome light. Nice door jamb. Nice door panel. Again, you see the power window switch there. See the power window switch there. And another carpet mats in the back. A couple rips in this back bench seat. This is possibly the original back bench seat. I'm not sure. More of the excellent headliner there. And your ashtray. It's a little blurry, excuse me. Couple stickers on the back. Because of low ownership, I thought I'd leave them on rather than tear them off. If it was 15 owners and the 14th owner put it on, I probably would have taken it off. A couple nicks right there by the Bel Air logo. And I know I mentioned it's the original 265, but being Victor Charles in the VIN, that would be the, excuse me while I have a brain fart here, factory V8 in Bel Air. That's what the C would be. There we go. Gotta love that. Back bumper is just as nice as about the front. You know, couple marks on there. Pretty nice and shiny nonetheless, and it has dual exhaust. Trunk fitment is nice for sure. Another thing these things are common to are, you know, big chips down along this line, along that edge there from slamming it, but there are none. And another thing I know is sometimes maybe installing the bumper or the bumper may be loosening up, you might hit the paint down here with the bumper, but this doesn't have any of that, which means it was definitely installed right to begin with. And tightness and the fitment is very nice as well. And the same thing goes for this side. There's nothing down there. A few marks right down there. A couple more and a couple more. Not stone. I mean, excuse me, not chips like I was talking about on the edge. Just a couple marks. Pop the hood for you. Another cool thing, I just noticed it. You got the spare. Okay, I saw the spare, obviously. But it's also a Coker white wall, just like the ones that are on it. So you're not getting a cheap spare that's just being thrown in there. You got the jack and the tire iron. Here's the original brake booster. Again, I got the rebuild kit for it. And a couple service manuals, power steering, AC, guide, I think one service. That's super nice as well as there. Got the jack instructions in case you don't know how. Under trunk is in nice condition as well. You see up a little bit. This could be original paint under there. So yeah, we'll carry on here. I'll shut it. Give me 1 second. Couple little stone chips right there, a little pencil tip size, and a few touch-ups right there. All the doors open and close like a glove, or fit like a glove, and they shut and open, as they should. Perfect. Maybe effortless. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. Well, first off, top of the car is excellent. Looks really nice, but this rail here is super nice. When they painted the car, they did an excellent job doing this. There's no bubbling going on, no cracking. Sometimes they might fill it with a caulk. No, this was done right to begin with. If you can see that, I hope you can, but you take my word for it on that. Little dog hair. Door jam's nice. Couple more little rips on that seat there. And again, more of the headliner. I can't get enough of that. Looks super nice. It'll be up for sale later on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you have any questions, go on, check it out. 56 Bel Air. Nicely factory option, for sure. Glove box light works. Actually, you know what? There's a little tiny mark in the glass right there. So thanks for watching. We will fire it up now and then take her for a little spin around the block and you can see her drive. Thank you.